Hey everyone! If you want the ultimate privacy and speed for your remote desktop, today I'm showing you how to host your own Rustdesk server right on Windows. This is your private connection from your hardware under your control. Let's get into it. Step 1. Download and extract the server. First, we need the server binaries. Go to the Rustdesk server GitHub release page and download the Windows x86 64 zip file. Extract it to a simple folder like C Rustdesk server or D. Inside, you'll see two key lines, hbbs.x, which is the ID server, and hbbr.x, which is the relay server. You need both to have a working connection. Step 2. Open the firewall ports. For your clients to find the server, you must open specific ports in your Windows firewall. First, search for Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Then, create a new inbound rule for ports. You need to allow TCP ports 21115 through 21119 and UDP port 21116. If you want to access this server from outside your house, remember to port forward these same numbers in your router settings to your PC's local IP. Step 3. Run the services and get your key. Now let's start the server. Now, open PowerShell as administrator. Navigate to your folder and run ./hbbs.x followed by ./hbbr.x. in a separate windows. Once they run, look in your folder for a new file ending in .pub, for example like id_ed25519.pub. Then you can just open it with Notepad. This long string of characters is your public key. Copy it, you'll need it for the next step. Step 4. Configure the clients. Finally, let's point your devices to your new server. Open the Rustdesk app on any device and go to Settings and Network. Under ID server, enter your server's IP address. Under key, paste that long string from the .pub file. And lastly, you can hit OK. If you see a green radio light at the bottom without the public server's warning, you are officially self-hosted. And that's pretty much it. You now have a professional grade remote desktop setup that's completely private. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.